Tell me, if you start working on your strength, will you be successful or not? Of course, you will be successful. But how do you know that what's your strength? So you have done your schooling, it was a scam. You invested your whole life into that just to get a job. And after you got the job, are you really satisfied with the amount of money you are getting or the time you are getting for yourself? I'm sure very few of them are. Then people like me who never did job, I directly got started with my online business, and that was the best decision of my life. I never wanted to work under somebody, and there was a fair reason for that. If I work for somebody, I have to listen to that person's nonsense, which I never wanted to listen. Because I think that I have got enough ideas in my last 20 years of my life by the time I was born. So why should I be listening to someone's theories and work for them? And I know that if I'm doing certain activity, he's going to make a few $1,000,000, or you can say crores of rupees, and I'm going to get peanuts. Yes, for experience sake, we should be working, but who imposes this idea of experience and all? Experience can be gained now by directly starting your own startup. You just need the right mentor who can guide you to work on a vision, to work on a mission, to work on interests, to work on your desires, so that you can have a fulfilling life. You already have experience doing that studies, right? You did your 10th, 12th graduation, you did your master's, and some of you have also done postmasters, that's PhD. And after all that, what happened? You still want experience to get a job in some company and then get old with that experience? What will happen? This is just one life. We have to remember this. And if that is the case, then what we should be doing, we should be starting something which is our core strength. I want you to learn this art of doing an online business. This Indian Institute of E-commerce, what you are seeing in the top, it's a label which is going to give you the opportunity where you will have the financial freedom that you always wanted. And I'm not here another social media guru who is going to tell this kind of lines. I'm going to show you what exactly I have done, how I have done, and the exact same thing you just copy paste. That's all. You don't have to do anything apart from that. Okay, but before that, to build that trust, whether it is genuine or not, it's a government registered institute, and my name is Sumit Parekh, and I have worked with Alibaba Group China. I have worked on the program development of export-import in e-commerce for Alibaba Group. Yes, I have evidence and proof I'll be showing in the video. So you be rest assured that you're learning from the good mentor who has already done some work. Okay? Yes, I have done it. And from me, if you learn, you will be poised to be successful. Unlike that college students who have a random teacher coming in and teaching something, who do not have any credible background, no industry knowledge, and they are the one who are teachers. So here I'm presenting you the ultimate business opportunity. Here the first site I'm showing you is noon.com. That is a Dubai-based site. And as you can see that a lot of these dry fruits are getting sold here. Not just Dubai, but if you see Japan's Rakuten, and if you see here, also a lot of these dry fruits are getting sold. The reason of me showing you dry fruits right now is this is one of the e-commerce stores that you can start. Today in this video, I'm going to explore about many different businesses. I have plenty of different business opportunities available with IIEC, and one of them is the plug-and-play e-commerce export business of dry fruits. Here, if you see that there are many types of dry fruits which are available for sale. There are manufacturers, there are farmers, there are suppliers who are available who have got these dry fruits. And these are some of the most premium quality dry fruits that you can actually directly list into your e-commerce store and focus on wholesaling of these dry fruits. You can also do retail sales. I'm just showing you nuts in Amazon.com. And you can see how much sales are happening. 2,000 people bought this. 3,000 people bought this, 3,000 sales, 2,000 sales. You just see the numbers, 9,000 sales, 2,000 sales. Don't you think that these kind of numbers, 5,000 sales, 10,000 sales, 4,000 sales, in a month, these many sales are happening just in Amazon. Now just think the power of e-commerce. Same way if you go to Etsy.com, there are plenty of sales happening every single month. And people are selling, people are buying, that means there's a market. 1,200 sold, 5,400 sold, 5,300 sold, 1,200 sold, 1,800, 15,000, 9,500, now 12,900, 12,000, 7,000. So these are the numbers I'm talking about. Now, if you see these numbers, what do you feel? That people are buying. If people are buying, that means You can also sell. But the only thing is, how do you sell this? Is the important question. And that's where exactly I'm going to give you this plug and play ready-made e-commerce business opportunity so you can make great amount of profits in the dry fruits niche. I'm also giving you a store builder where you can choose the theme, choose the design as you want and build your own e-commerce store as you want, as you imagine that way. So this is going to be the all-in-one program, the business opportunity that will transform your life completely. So here I'm giving you 100% guarantee that by following the step-by-step method that I'm giving you, you will be definitely be going to get the e-commerce sales. I'm also going to give you the buyer's database, how to find that buyer's database, and I'm also giving you the plug and play e-commerce store builder and mentorship support to you. So this entire program is a bundle of 17 different certifications. Get guaranteed sales, you'll get the database of buyers, suppliers, and the plug and play e-commerce store builder and mentorship. After doing this program, you do not require any other program because this is the complete program that anyone can actually learn and start their online business completely. And you also get 17 certificates which are approved by the government. And you also get the practical live training and support from our side. So this program has got two major part. One is the recorded content plus live classes, ebooks, white papers, case studies, infographics, and many more such kind of contents that can help you to learn. And the other most important part is the e-commerce store builder itself. I will be giving you an e-commerce store builder. In the market, if you start having your own e-commerce builder, it will cost good amount of money. You may invest about 2 to 3 lakh rupees for such kind of completely plug and play business model. Here you are getting the store builder as part of the program, and not only store builder, you are also getting additional softwares and tools, what you're seeing right now, everything integrated into this. So you can simply install and start working. And you have many other themes and designs which are already there. So you have to just upload the list of products that, as I told about dry fruits, simply upload them and start working. Since it is my store builder, so I'm showing mine here. You can see some of my sales are there, some statistics are available. Same way in your case, you will have your own sales. The B2B sector is much more easy. You can simply get started with the e-commerce store that I'm giving you. And I'll also give you the products and suppliers contact, connect with them and start selling. So this costs very less amount of money for the plug and play business. You get everything from me as a part of the package. You can just enroll and learn and start with the business opportunity that I'm giving you. So what are you waiting for? This is such an amazing business that you should not lose. Because whether you are a working professional or an entrepreneur, job seeker also, or you're a student, this learning will help you to start any other business in future. So start with this e-com business, learn from me, get all the certification support and also live training that we are giving you. Plus also start this e-commerce store. This can simply get started with the wholesale bulk business and you can become one of the best seller in the niche. So join us today.